What's up, guys? AAP fishing today. We're out doing some halibut fishing for a little bit. A lot of people out here today, but really it's gonna be the Temu reel testing right there. Temu bait caster. But we got a couple days ago got a striper off the spinning reel. I'll play that at the end of the video, so stick around to see that. So let's see how this thing casts. All right, we got the AAP fishing swim bait coming out soon. My custom lures. Looks really good. Sadly, I didn't get that striper off my swim bait, but I got it off of Calissa. But yeah, let's see if we can get a halibut, and let's also see how this thing casts. 12-to-1 gear ratio. Let's see. First cast. Oh yeah, one issue I've noticed is I spooled this up and it barely has any line on it. Like, I have it filled to the brim. That takes no line, pretty much. I mean, half of my other reel I took the line off. Ooh, okay. Oh yeah, you see what I mean? I just spooled that on a cast. God damn. Yeah, it's not looking good. But let's see. Final cast with this reel. Oh, and we completely out of line. Thank God I added a knot at the end of that. Not trying to lose this $10 jig head. Oh yeah, screw that. We switching reels. Play the striper video right now. Fish on the Temu reel. It's my first striper off the shore in the bay. Feels nice. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, I think I'll just flip him.
Yeah, that's a small one.
Right at the last cast. Woo! I feel so, it's so sick. On the Calissa. It's not bad.
The Calissa? Oh yeah.
Shaker.
Dude, that means
oh, he's hooked on the top.
You want to flip it for me? They're always in a school.
I got him, I got him. Here it is. Let's get this guy back in here. Revive him. There he goes. Nice.